I've been at my storage unit working on my drink machine. I'm trying to remove a back cover down where the leak tray is so I can clean it out and get it together and hopefully swap the machine out pretty soon. But I can't take the cover off because I have 2 screws that refuse to come out. I've looked at videos, I've asked around, nothing is working. So I'm at Lowe's to see if there's something that they have that can help me get these screws out. And if you know how to remove screws that are stuck, please leave a comment and let me know, because I'm pretty sure I will be facing this problem again. But let me see if they have something here that can help me. Alright, so I'm looking for something that's going to help me get that nail out, but let's take a look at this. Let's see what this is. This might help. I don't know. What might help? Sir, you work here?
Yes.
Alright, so the issue I'm having is, alright, I have a vending machine, and at the back, at the bottom, I need to get, there's like a plate, a piece there that's screwed in, but I can't get these screws out because the middle part is worn out. Let me show you the screw. I got one out, and I was able to use it with my electric drill to unscrew it, but the other one's like the middle, yeah, and it won't come out. All right, so this goes into the drill thing.
It goes
like
into the drill
screw it in, okay.
Yep. And then basically you put it in the middle, how you would screw something.
Okay.
And then it'll take it out.
Okay.
All right.
All right, thank you. All right, so let's try this. Remove strip and broken bolts. $19.99. Not bad. Yeah, and I need something to drink. You have water? I need something cold. $2.78? Holy moly, $2.58. Should have had my own water. This is crazy. $2.58. Oh. $2.58 for water. Hopefully this helps. Stripped or broken bolts. This one here came out without a problem, so I'm hoping that this will solve the issue. Let me take a sip of my $2.58 bottled water. So, there you go. It's nice and cold too. Let's get back to work.